Hello again, it's Noob, and just another little midweek video special. I've got some packages through the post recently and I thought that I would share them with you. So, very hard to know where to start, but I guess I'll start with this purely because it's the most visible one straight in front of us. And this was sent to me by RWB Custom Picks, along with one of his disc detainer picks for review. And this is apparently some Australian redwood. So that I can use for making all sorts of things, but more specifically, of course, lockpick handles. And it's very nice. It's actually quite light. Got a nice grain structure. Really like those. It's always nice to have nice wood to use for your handles. It really makes a difference. Next up, purely because it's just here and on top, a package from France. This is from, now I'm probably going to get this wrong. I think it's pronounced qicom, Q-I-K-O-M, from Discord. And we were discussing, just pop those over here, discussing some French locks that I've been picking recently. And that's better. That's a much better way in. Yes. And the fact that I'd borrowed some, I think, Bricard locks from Vent in Germany, which is very kind of them. But a lot of those locks are, unless you do a semi-destructive method, you can't gut them, which is clearly not a sensible thing to do when you borrowed a lock, is it? Oh, hi, thank you for lending me the lock. I semi-destructively opened it. That's not great. Anyway, so I'm going to get this wrong. One of these is going to be the Bricard Super Sûreté. Ooh, a Fichet Euro. Always nice to see these. That's some warding in there, isn't it? I don't know the model of this. It says 119. Maybe it's a Fichet 119. I don't know. Very cool. What else do we have here? Ah, yes, that. Oh, yeah, those are. Yes, I believe that both of those are the Bricard Super Sûretés. I think, yes. And one looks like. Both look like they're picked, which means I should be able to just pop these out. The reason why they sent these to me was because I couldn't gut them. They come sort of together like this with a cam piece in the middle and then a bridge between the two, which is soldered together. And unless you like cut them or desolder them, they just become impossible. So that's really awesome. Very nice to be able to gut one of those as well. Ooh, now that is a key. Look at that. That I don't know. I know for sure that whatever it is has a number of levers. Oh, I think that's another Bricard, and I think again it's been opened, which is really cool. Yeah, appears to be open. Just turning that. Very cool. I don't know how common they are in France. Actually, are they like super rare? If you are somebody who knows about French locks, then please do let me know. Another Bricard, and I can't remember which one this is off the top of my head. I think this is their double-sided 10 wafer one. I did pick this. I don't think I've released a video yet. It's surprisingly difficult, but very cool. I have to look that up separately. Very awesome lock. Oh, there we go. There. I will have to quickly look that up actually. Okay, do you know what? I've actually got I'm recording on my iPad, which is there. I actually have my phone on me, so I should be able to just do a quick search. So, how do you spell Bricard? Oh, there you go. Yes, so these are the Bricard Super Sûreté, and that's Bricard. This one's a Bricard Bloc 2. Again, my French pronunciation is probably awful. But you can sort of see. I don't know whether this has been done so I can slide that off. I'll have to have a look at that later, but yeah, you can see sort of an example of how these locks are very, you know, closed off, so that us lockpickers find it very difficult to gut them. I think I remember them saying that they would send me a really cool key, and that is a really cool key. That's awesome, isn't it? Love it. And last but by no means least, a package from the United States from Adam. And I thought this was kind of cool. Got to be careful not to show any personal details on here. But this says, this package contained a gem in 18 thousandths. Thought you'd appreciate that. And you see, it's originally came from Peterson Manufacturing. And I do appreciate that because it's one of my favourite all-time profiles. I love that profile so very much. Let's try and open this up without, I think some writing around here, so I'll just try and cover it up with my hand. Have a big scoop on the inside, and here we are. So these are apparently United States Postal Service locks. Kind of cool, aren't they? Who are they made by? And it just says USPS on them. That's kind of cool, isn't it? I don't know what they're using, post boxes or whatever. They've got nice little dust shutters on there, which is a really cool feature. So obviously, shush, so rocking back and forth. So you see the little dust flap there, that's kind of nice. Can't quite tell how many pins these have. Can I tell from the top? No, doesn't look like they're going to be easy to gut either. But I imagine if I use one of them, maybe I could try to peel the top off somehow. Maybe that would dump the pins, and at least we can see inside one of them if I do pick one of these. But they are very cool. I quite like these sort of branded commercial locks that you obviously couldn't just buy. So I really appreciate that, Adam. So thank you so much to RWB Custom Picks, to Adam, and to and if I get this wrong, please forgive me, qicom. From France. This is an awesome haul, and I will do a gutting on my side channel of the Bricard Super Sûreté, and if I can take this apart, the Bloc 2 as well. Okay, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly am very grateful for all these packages being sent to me. It really helps me out. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time.